I know the joy of having a full, fluffy, detangled and long natural afro hair. But let's be real, wash days can be a nightmare. Tangled strands, breakage and that dreadful dryness. What if I told you there's a magic potion straight from your kitchen that makes detangling a breeze and promotes crazy hair growth? Sis, let me introduce you to Okra Gel, your new Prepoo bestie. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about why you need this in your hair care routine. Okra Gel is packed with sleep, making detangling effortless. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which strengthen your strands and reduce breakage. Plus, it deeply hydrates and leaves your hair soft and juicy. And guess what? It even helps with hair growth. Now let's make this magic potion. You only need 3 things: fresh okra, water, and an optional drop of your favorite oil. First step, chop out about 5 to 6 okra pods. The more okra, the more gel you get. Boil them in water for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can just soak it in hot water. That was what I did. You will seal the gel forming so gooey and rich. Strain out the gel while it's warm and store in a clean jar or transfer to a spray bottle. And just like that, your DIY Prepoo is ready. Now here is the fun part: applying it. Start on dry or damp hair. Section your hair for easy application, just like I did bantu knots before. Now apply the okra gel generously. Focus on your ends and knots. Finger detangle or use a wide tooth comb or a wide toothbrush. Watch how your tangles melt away. And ladies, I want to beg you to please use this Prepoo once in a week. Okay, I wash my hair every weekend. You can wash your hair like every fortnightly, like once in 2 weeks. Okay, so but make sure you use your okra gel as your Prepoo. Leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes under a shower cap. This helps your hair absorb all the moisture. Rinse it out and proceed with your shampoo and deep conditioner. Prepoo is the first step of wash days. You prepoo, then you go ahead to shampoo, you do your protein treatment, you do your deep conditioning. Your hair will feel like butter, soft, bouncy, and easy to manage. Now tell me, have you ever tried okra gel as a prepoo? If not, what are you waiting for? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. When I was done with this, I was very shocked at the result it gave me. My hair was not just full, it was fluffy, it was detangled without knots. This is the best Prepoo that I have ever used since I started my natural hair journey. If you have tried okra gel before, let me hear your experiences in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to that girl that needs it, and drop your comments in the comment section. Also, if this is your first time here, do not forget to give your girl a subscribe. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing hair care tips, and share this video with a friend who needs some hair saving magic. See you next time in another video. Ciao.